Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Hey, this is the dried result to that piece I did the other day, and the blue, that's seaside blue, reacted very well. I didn't get hardly any cells in this color here. I think that was the permanent violet red. And then I had added some of the satin enamels in denim blue, and it just didn't react at all. So I also had some white paint that I had used in here, and it was mixed with Liquitex gloss medium. And I'm thinking that might be why I didn't get too many cells, because I think that's what I used for all of this. I got a few, like right here, but yeah, it's I don't think I'll be pouring over this again because it's already been poured over twice, and if I try to do it again, it might not work. I can already see some pitting going on here though, and that's not a good sign for trying to paint over something. So I have an 11 by 14 gallery wrapped level 2 canvas. My colors are Amsterdam Expert Series, and it's Naples Yellow Red Light. This is Naples Yellow Red Light. It does react very well in the cloud pours. So that's it right there. I just mixed that one up fresh. This is Modern Masters in Antique Bronze. I've added a little bit of quinacridone nickel azo gold to it. And I've also added some Modern Masters in Champagne. That's an opaque color. So this should react really well too. So I put them in the little bottles so I don't go crazy. This is nickel azo gold. This is smalt hue. This is golden green gold, and I might have added a little bit of lime green to this too. So I have some freshly mixed paint here, the Decoart, and I have now got my Liquitex pouring medium, the regular kind, not the gloss medium. I have both, but I ran out of this stuff, so I thought, oh, I'll just try it with the, yeah, it doesn't work. It really just doesn't work. But I was trying a lot of different things on that last piece too, like a split canvas, like using, I was using some paint samples instead of paints. So I'm back to the basics here. I'm going to start with the Naples Yellow Red Light. And I do like that color, so I don't mind putting a lot on. And then this is the smalt hue. And green gold. I don't know why I'm putting it to the side. Why don't I just put right on top? Duh. And then the nickel azo gold. And I'm going to put a little bit more of that Naples yellow. Oh, see, I put too much paint on again. Just can't stop. But you'll see what this Naples yellow, it looks like a flesh tone to me, but it creates such beautiful lacing. Okay, let's give it a nice little torch first. Oh, that nickel azo gold, I just love it. So which way do we want to go first? Let's go this way first. Off that top. And then down. It's almost a vertical tilt, guys. That's how you're gonna get your cells. Vertical tilt. Let me see what this composition is doing. Let's go over to that corner. Come back. Ace of gold off the top. Not liking it with the purple down here too much. It goes really nice with the green though. Just keep stretching it. Stretch, 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 especially with that Naples yellow red light. Bring it down. Down even further. The green gold really tends to react well too. So stretching that out is always good. And we're gonna let it rest and see what happens. Okay guys, wow, this went through so many changes, but I almost scraped it at one point. I almost swiped over this gold part at one point, but I'm glad I stuck with it. It kind of reminds me of tiger lilies. I don't know why, but probably the quinacridone, nickel hazel gold. But yeah, this that yellow, geez, I can't remember the name of it. It sells up so well. Oh, no, get away. Anyhow, I'm liking it. So, I have tomorrow off. I really wanted to paint tonight, so I'm glad I got this done. Please be safe, create, like, share, and subscribe. And please be kind to one another. I so appreciate you guys being here. Ciao for now.